Okay, we're here at 702 Panora Way, Northwest Calgary. We're coming in this beautiful show home, and it's a very exciting day because we have a new assistant. Hello, Zeus. All right, show us the great home that you have here, and you take me into the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Oh, living room first. There you go. Look at the fireplace there, and then we got the backyard, the dining room. Oh, look at the drinking station for Zeus. Okay, we have the dining room here. We got the kitchen. Zeus, should we go upstairs now? Let's go upstairs. Okay, here we go. And, okay. And we're going up the stairs. Look at the tile inlay, the expensive carpet. This used to be a show home. And there he is, waiting for me. Thanks, Zeus. Okay, let's go into the master bedroom, Zeus. Okay, here we go. And there's the master bedroom. Okay.